Wavlink Wi-Fi 6 AX6000 router, is it the best option for gamers and streamers? What's up gamers and streamers? Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you facing lags or buffering or killing your vibe? You're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the Wavlink Wi-Fi 6 AX6000 router, a dual-band beast with 6 gigabits per second speeds and a 2.5 gigabits per second WAN port. Is this the ultimate weapon for your gaming rig or streaming setup? We're diving into why it's appealing, how it performs, and if it's worth your money. Let's go ahead. Initiating with why consider the Wavlink AX6000. For gamers and streamers, it's all about speed, stability, and range. This router has Wi-Fi 6 technology with up to 6 gigabits per second, that's 4,800 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band for lag-free gaming and 1,200 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz for range. It covers 2,000 square feet, supports 256 devices, and has a 2.5 gigabits per second WAN port for gigabit internet. Also, 8 5dB antennas mean you're getting signals in each corner of your home. Router has got a gamer-friendly look, sleek, angular, with antennas that scream power. You get a power adapter, a 1-meter Ethernet cable, and a manual. The most important thing? It's budget-friendly, usually $100 to $130, way cheaper than Asus or Netgear. But does the performance match the hype? Let's find out. Another question, can this router keep up with intense gaming and streaming? On the 5 GHz band, 20 feet away, you can hit 880 megabits per second down and 40 megabits per second up on your gigabit plan. That's enough for 8K streaming or downloading a 100 gigabytes game in minutes. The QoS feature lets you prioritize your gaming PC, also maintaining your roommate's TikTok marathon. It also allows you to run 4K Netflix and Twitch simultaneously on multiple devices. Zero buffering, because of OFDMA tech that allows you to juggle 10 connections like a pro. It provides a solid coverage across your 2,300 square foot area while guaranteeing 100% signals in every corner of your home. If you're a gamer or streamer on a budget, the AX6000 is a no-brainer for its speed and features. If you need Wi-Fi 6E or flawless reliability, save up for a premium model like the Netgear Nighthawk. For most, this Wavlink router's a win. And that's all about Wavlink AX6000, a Wi-Fi 6 powerhouse for gamers and streamers. Got thoughts on this router or want to flex some other setup? Drop it in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tech that levels up your game. See you next time. Thank you for watching.